Ever wondered what happens to your food after you swallow it? Your digestive system is a 30-foot-long chemical lab. It breaks down your food, absorbs nutrients, and fuels your entire body. From your mouth to your stomach and through the intestines, it works non-stop to turn food into energy. This is your digestion in stunning 3D animation. Subscribe now for more 3D health visuals. What really happens to your food after that first bite? From chewing in your mouth to acid breakdown in the stomach, and finally nutrients absorbed in the small intestine, is a non-stop chemical miracle. This is your digestive system like you've never seen before. After digestion in the small intestine, the remaining food enters the large intestine. But what happens next? Here, most of the water is absorbed, turning liquid waste into solid form. Trillions of gut bacteria help break down what's left, especially fiber, producing gases and nutrients. This process forms stool, which slowly moves toward the rectum for elimination. From entry to exit, this journey can take 12 to 48 hours. Your large intestine is a true recycling machine.